version that I was leading, to an extent that the same team that I formed today, it was actually turned into a fully fledged unit to be part of the DPCI, within the structure of the DPCI. I was then approached and promoted to become the Deputy Provincial Commissioner of Gauteng, responsible for the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation, which is the DPCI in Gauteng. And then members will realize that it is at a time when the management of the South African Police Service decided to bring General Petros from Western Cape, who was doing well here in the Western Cape. They sent him to Gauteng because Gauteng was under pressure. When you look at the provinces, Western Cape was always #1, but Gauteng was #9.